We are back for match week 4 of the Champions League, and it is Napoli versus Eintracht Frankfurt, and it ends 0-0 in a game where we expected some goals, a bit more action, but it was a little bit more quiet, and it is 0-0 and the point. We then move on to Sparta Praha and Arsenal, a game which ended 3-0. No Gyökeres for Arsenal, but no problem. Mikel Merino stepping up and grabbing a brace. Of course, earlier on in the game, Saka had converted the penalty and it ended 3-0. And right at the end, Arsenal almost denied a clean sheet when the referee mistakenly awarded a penalty, but it was cleared by VAR. Monaco nick it, and Folarin Balogun's goal is enough to get them all 3 points away against Bodø Glimt in Norway, and they move higher up in the table. Arahu opened up the scoring for Sporting Lisbon against Juventus away, before Vlahovic equalized later on in the first half, and it is another draw for Juventus. As frustrating as it has been, Juventus continue to get many draws, and they keep on dropping points because of the Olympiacos held on from the 17th minute to their 1-0 lead so late on until right at the end in the 93rd minute. PSV equalized, only enough to walk away with the point after their recent thrashing from their last opponents. They only score 1 goal today and it ends 1-1, and the points are Alvarez, a man who's been in form and been doing so well for Atletico Madrid. He scores the first goal and puts them in front before later on in the second half Gallagher gave the hosts comfort before Union St. Gallows pulled a late goal back, and it became a little bit more intense before Loriente ensured that Atletico Madrid would walk away with all 3 points with his third goal for Atletico Madrid to end the game 3-1. Tottenham with a massive win against Copenhagen to ensure that they will be in the top 8 as it stands right now, after that 1-0 loss at home against Chelsea in the London derby. Liverpool winning their second game in a row. It is now 3 wins in the Champions League, and they have 9 points in total, and they are looking likely to finish in the top 8 and get automatic qualification to the round of 16. And an out-of-form Liverpool beating an in-form Real Madrid, all the superstars they have, it begs the question of, is the league dropping in quality, But anyway, a McAllister special grabs all 3 points for Liverpool. PSG, the champions, losing 2-1 at home against Bayern Munich. Luis Diaz with the 2 early goals before being sent off and having to hold on with 10 men before João Neves pulled one back. What a great game that was.